Yo, what's up, guys? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon from wherever you're communicating from. Welcome back to the channel, or if you're new around here, welcome to the channel. Ladies and gentlemen, in today's video, we're going to be doing a little Bitcoin analysis. Now, as everybody might know, Bitcoin has been falling and most people don't actually understand why. But in today's video, we're going to be touching on those different kinds of perspectives and also the buying areas that we're going to be looking for. So make sure you watch this video until the end and make sure you hit the subscribe button. Let's get it.
Hi guys, welcome to Sampa's channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button.
Welcome back once again, ladies and gentlemen. So as I explained earlier, in today's video we're basically just going to be doing some Bitcoin analysis. So if you're new around here and you're a person that understands the financial market, please welcome to the channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Let's work together to get this knowledge out there, because there are so many people that actually don't understand what's going on. So in my Bitcoin analysis today, we're first going to check out the hourly time frame and then the weekly time frame. So with my analysis, I just want to show you guys what kind of areas I think would be great buying positions, because earlier I had predicted that Bitcoin would drop below $19,000. Below $19,000, it's currently trading around $19,600 and something dollars, somewhere there. I predicted it would go below $19,000, and my first prediction was if it had to go below the $20,000 level, it will go below 19. The next level that I'm afraid Bitcoin might hit is 16,000. Immediately it hits 16,000. There is no doubt that Bitcoin is going to go down $10,000. But with that being said, you see, Bitcoin has been doing this for years. Bitcoin has been doing this for years, basically making the same exact patterns. As you guys can see, if you look at 2014, that's when I would call it the big bounce. It started basically skyrocketing and gaining momentum until we reached at the top where it was actually around $69,000, and then now it's down to only $19,000. So there's still a lot of money to be made. You see, on a personal level, this is how I divide my Bitcoin, or rather my cryptocurrency portfolio. If we say 100%, 80% is what I actually store in my hardware wallet. And then with 10%, I store on my other wallets, such as Coinbase. I'll call them software wallets. I store them on my software wallets. And then 10% is what I put on the market to trade. Okay, this is what I put on the market to trade. And every time I'm analyzing Bitcoin, it's usually some sort of like a long-term kind of of trading. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, we're basically going to analyze and just check out the different kinds of levels at which Bitcoin is most likely to start bouncing up on. Okay, sorry about that. My network is a little bit slow for some reason, but okay, so we're just going to check out the weekly time frame. because the weekly time frame is where you're able to see what happened, in the previous times of its fallen. So with that being said, I'm going to just look at it on the weekly time frame perspective and then take it up to an hour or 4 hours. So this is the weekly perspective. So my prediction with Bitcoin is that once Bitcoin hits $17,000, then it's most likely that it can go down to 10,000. Now, even with that kind of analysis, ladies and gentlemen, there is still a lot of money to be made while selling. There's still a lot of money to be made. So I'm just going to put a basic trend line at the top of the market, and I'm going to put a basic trend line at the bottom of the market, at which it is right now, which is around 19,000. So where I put the line at the top, for those of you guys that do not understand what I'm talking about, I'm just going to use the simplest terms possible. So the little line at the top there is where the market, that's the market's highest point. Okay, that was the market's highest point. And then the line below, that is the market's lowest point as of today. So now I'm going to try to figure out where the resistance was in the past few years, because with Bitcoin you literally need to look at this as a long-term kind of trade, because trust me, ladies and gentlemen, there is a lot of money to be made. Imagine if you had to buy Bitcoin at $9,000 and then it goes up again to, let's say, 60,000. Yo, that's a lot of money. It would make hundreds of thousands of dollars, even millions actually. So the third line below is going to be our support level, as this was the point at which the support level was during these different years. So I'm also going to zoom in later in the video so you guys can actually make sense out of this. But again, people do not really understand what's making the market move this way. A lot of people are speculating, saying, most of these huge companies are selling out their Bitcoins and that's the reason why it's falling, and so on and so forth. Others are basically saying it's the high interest rates and so on and so forth. And different people have different perspectives, okay? So with my perspective, as you guys can see, I've just zoomed in a little bit there. You're going to see the line below, the red line below. Is where the resistance was. Okay, that's where the resistance was. And if you guys can see closer, that red line below is at 9,000, somewhere $9,000 to $10,000. Now, my prediction is that once Bitcoin falls below 17,000, it's going to touch that. Once it touches that part becomes our buying area. We are going to buy. At least I am going to buy. Okay, I will be buying at that time, hoping for the best with Bitcoin. I will be buying. Apart from that, I've also put my famous indicators, as you guys might know them from my different various videos. My indicators work really great. So as you guys can see, they have already reached those points at which they reach when you're aware that this was an entry and this market is still falling. So as you can see, we're still about to hit the lowest levels, the lowest buying levels, as you guys can see. So my indicators are also literally working here, and they're being quite accurate. If you guys don't understand these indicators, I made a video about them, and also how to insert them and how they can help you win different trades, so you guys can watch those videos. So this one right here was perceived to be one of the main reasons why Bitcoin has been going up, due to the fact that the federal government in the United States basically raised interest rates. So you guys can basically go take a look at this. It's known as the Bitcoin magazine. You guys can take a look at that. And apart from that, I'm also going to show you another chart. So this right here, ladies and gentlemen, is a yearly chart from TradingView, Bitcoin yearly chart, and it does not look great. As you guys can see, it's been crazy and the market is still going crazy. But remember, my buying areas are at 9,000, because I strongly believe once Bitcoin hits 17,000, it's going to come down up to $10,000 and to 9,000. I'll be buying in the $9,000 range and hoping for the best with Bitcoin. I don't know what your plan is, but that's my plan. For those of you that follow me, due to the fact that I give you guys trading tutorials that actually work and 100% free. Make sure you can also join my my Telegram group. The link is in the description, or you can just give me a DM on my Instagram so I can send you a direct Telegram link. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I just hope I have been some kind of help with around the Bitcoin scenario and what's actually happening. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, there's a lot of money to be made. Just to give you the gist of the kind of money, it's that I'll give you an example. If I had to put in $20,000 worth of Bitcoin when it comes down to 9,000, I would make serious money. I would make serious money, ladies and gentlemen. When immediately Bitcoin starts to go up again, and let's suppose it hits $60,000, that would be some really, really, really insane amounts of money. Now imagine, while holding and trading at the same time, we're talking millions. We're talking millions of dollars. So that is what is at stake right now, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification button. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.